Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a full 3-minute music track using Lyria 3 Pro inside Gemini. Now, before we jump in, this is super important. You can only create a 3-minute track if you're using Lyria 3 Pro. The regular Lyria 3 model is limited to around 30 seconds, so if you don't switch to the Pro version, you won't get that full-length music. So you want to make sure you have access to Lyria 3 Pro, usually through a Google AI Pro or similar plan. All right, so to get started, you want to head over to Gemini and then log in to your account. And once you're in, you want to enable the create music. So you can do that by choosing this one, tools. It's normally under deep research, but you just have to change this to create music. So you can start generating tracks. And now here's the key part. After you type your prompt, so maybe like a cinematic soundtrack, chill lo-fi beat, or even a song with vocals, you'll see different generation options. Now, Gemini gives you fast and thinking modes. So we even have Pro here and Google AI Plus. I'm not on Pro right now, but if you choose Fast, this one, it will use the regular Lyria 3 model, which only generates about 30 seconds of audio. But if you want a full 3-minute track, you must select the thinking option because that's what activates Lyria 3 Pro. This is the most important step, so don't skip it. And once you've selected thinking mode, go ahead and submit your prompt. Gemini will take a bit longer to process, but that's because it's generating a much longer and more detailed track. And after a couple of minutes, your full song will be ready to play. And depending on your prompt, it can even include vocals. As I mentioned, I'm not on Pro on this account, so it will say here at the top, generating 30-second video. So just keep in mind editing tracks isn't perfect yet. So if you try to modify a song, Gemini usually recreates it instead of making small edits. So it might sound a bit different each time. And if you're trying to extend an old 30-second track into a 3-minute one, it won't be exactly the same either. It'll be a new version inspired by the original. So again, if you want the full 3-minute music, you need Lyria 3 Pro and you need to use the thinking mode right over here. That's the key to unlocking longer, more usable tracks inside Gemini. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!